parts day. Looks like I'm going to be replacing my 2012 Ford Focus coolant reservoir. Take a look. Well, we block the tires. Make sure, as you know, last video, unless you didn't look, last video was part. So I always put jacks. Jack lifts that piece of metal. You have another piece of metal there. Put your jack. You need to replace the reservoir on a 2012 Ford Focus is these needle nose pliers. I also use an extension that goes to a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, so I can put that on 3/8 socket to take off my skid. But really all you need is that. Alright, today we're replacing this, and there's some leaks here, small leaks. When it heats up, it starts to leak and it actually comes out, drips along this crack or out this way, and it actually comes out and boils on this component right underneath. So you can't really see a leak, but there's a small hairline leak and it leaks out. And so I'm gonna replace this. Now we gotta take the skid plate off. And now, see that up there? That's the drain plug. We're gonna drain from that little port right there. Unscrew it, put a little bucket. Put that there, down. Okay, now, I'm gonna go do my magic. Put the drill in there. Yep. Oh. Now it's draining. Now it's gonna come over here. Look, see. It's draining. You got yourself a bucket. See? And when I go up there, I'm gonna unscrew the reservoir cap and it should go out. Yeah, that's the dirty water. Check it out. Dirty! At one point that was yellow or orange. Alright, so there's more to this. I'm gonna kind of unhook this. This has a little clip here. And a clip in the back. Bit of a thing, but I'm gonna drain it out this way because it's at a slant, this car, on a driveway. So there's two latches. See, there's one there and there's one in here, and there's just two. It sits right in there. Now there's some dirt in here. I'm glad I'm changing this out. Just kind of going back and forth with it so it can, you know, drain. And now all we have is a few clips here. There's a clip, like a plug. You pinch and you pull. Pinch. It's a bit tough. Wiggle it. Boom. That one stays on. This one's just a plug. Some nicer pliers. I'm trying to get this ring back. There we go. Now we can pull that hose off. Alright, so we got the clip. I can pull this off. Wiggle. Nasty. Out with the old end. Soapy water, I don't care. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it water. Yeah. Got the new one, and we got a clip there and a clip in the back. And I like to go with a clip in the back first, and then the clip in the front, and then just push it on, and then this was on this side. Make sure that clicks, and this goes on. Make sure that goes on all the way. Wiggle it on. Whatever you gotta do. Alright, this is the clip. Come on. Yeah.
I will.
Yes.
Of course they were. Why wouldn't they be, mate? Why wouldn't they?
Yeah. All right. Made it going. Now, finally, get to put the new fluid in. Oh, and don't forget to close the drain plug. Ha! Before you put the new stuff. Gotta make sure tighten that right there, tighten it. Make sure it's tight. Not too tight, but just snug tight. All right, now funnel. Stone. All vehicles 50-50. Ready to use, do not add the water. Okay, so I turned on the vehicle and then I let it just start. And you fill the whole thing in, I'm sure. Don't have the water. Wait for it, bubble. If you squeeze this pipe, it gets those bubbles out. Squeeze it in there. Right, keep going. Whoop. Oops. Careful. You have to kind of wait for it to like bubble in there. And once you start the car, it should go down a bit. Which I might do. And fill it the rest of the way. But screw this on. Screw this on, and I'm gonna start the car. Now we're gonna see if there's any leaks. Nice. That's a lot better. A lot cleaner. Hallelujah. Now, let's start it up and see if that will. Anyway, there's still a little bit more fluid in the thing, but again, we'll start the car. Hopefully the camera don't flip. The wind doesn't like to work. And the camera too. Alright, it's working. Check it out. Even that blue or that hose has with the silicone actually recycling coolant, recycling the coolant, so that'll work. Anyway, see, look at that. Now the level's already gone down. Look at that. Level's gone down. And I'm going to stop the engine and I'm going to put a little more fluid in it. Well, the rest